Okay, I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of the new Schuberth C5 Carbon. Just came in today. I also have the Schuberth communication systems, the SC2, which is by Sena, which is a plug and play, and they say it's actually pretty quick. But the thing I noticed right off is how light it is. I mean, it doesn't even feel like there's a helmet in here, and I think that's just crazy in itself. It hasn't pulled out of the box yet, but just is incredibly light already, and I haven't pulled it out of the box yet. So I'm going to unbox it and see what we have real quick. So once I open it up, notice they have some of the information packet. Looks like Schuberth Performance, and inside some literature, quick start guide, and also talks about the C5 Carbon, the game changer, head technology, or head protection technology. So get in here, see what we have here. There she is. So let me pull this out. The bottom side comes in a nice. And I've had Aria, and I have Aria of Shoei different helmets. I tell you, this is one of the nicer padded cases that I've seen for a helmet. This is really nice. The string drawn there. Pulling out, there she is the first time. Oh my gosh, what a beautiful helmet. Look at the carbon fiber on that thing. Absolutely beautiful, stunning. They're completely on track with, these things come out of Italy in the same factory where the Max Verstappen, the F1 racing helmet comes out of, and one person does the entire carbon fiber. Beautiful, goes well with the face guard. Just a nice, beautiful helmet. So yeah, see at the front. Nice guard for your eyes. Incredibly light. You can definitely notice the difference in the weight. But yeah, well done. The padding is beautiful in it. Well done all the way around. But yeah, that's the helmet. I'm gonna see if I can get a little bit closer video and show you some of the detail. But man, what a gorgeous first impression! What a beautiful helmet. Didn't get a chance to actually see it in person. Just got to see the C5, the regular, not the carbon, because they didn't have a carbon in the store. But the guys at Schuberth, man, this is just a beautiful piece of head protection here. Let me show you a little bit closer here. Wow. I don't know if it does it much justice in the video, but what a beautiful helmet. Alright, that's the unboxing. That's what you get. And this is the headset, and I want to put it in, see how plug and play, how quick it is, and I'll post something on that. Thank you.